Starting next week, billions, if not trillions, of tiny invaders will begin their assault on nearly all of the country east of the Mississippi River.
It sounds like an alien invasion.
Every 17 years, massive swarms appear in 15 states.
They've been laying in wait for 17 years until the time and temperature is right to begin their deafening descent upon millions of Americans.
Hello Blazers. Many of you began experiencing the cicada outbreak in your local neighborhoods for the first time in your lives. The whole outbreak is puzzling, and you have questions that need to be answered. To get some of these questions answered, I spoke to Madeline Potter, a graduate student at the University of Maryland who studies entomology.
We should expect millions, if not trillions, of cicadas. It's predicted there be about 1.5 million cicadas per acre. And they want to get up high so they can shed their nymphal skin, which is like molting, and then they'll come into their adult bodies. And then after that, 2 weeks later, that's when we'll hear lots of noise because all the males are going to be singing, and it's just the males that sing, and this is to attract the females. Singing that they do, all the different species get together to form this chorus in the trees, and it can be as loud as 100 decibels, which is like louder than a lawnmower, louder than a lot of airplanes or helicopters that fly overhead. The one key thing about their biology is that they feed on this watery tree sap called xylem underground, and that's their main source of food. And this is really low in nutrients, so it takes them forever to develop. So since they're eating this low nutrient food, it takes them a really long time to go through all their life stages, to get larger. So that's generally why it takes so long for them to develop underground. Hypothesize that this odd number prevents a lot of predators from syncing up with them in their life cycle, so it reduces the amount of predators kind of coming after them throughout their years.
I hope you found this information helpful. Remember to enjoy the cicadas because it will be another 17 years until they return. From BNC, this is Amadeo Rosenfield reporting.